Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer account ownership to your customer. Let's go to the Agency section and click on the Customers tab. There may be times when your customers or clients want to manage their account themselves. They might even pay you to take ownership of the account, depending on the use case. It's really simple and another way to generate more revenue. You can charge an additional fee to transfer ownership. Click on the icon next to the customer you want to transfer ownership to. Keep in mind that once the customer accepts your request, you will no longer be able to manage this account under your agency. All rights to the account will be transferred to your customer. Let's quickly check how your customer handles this request on their end. They'll receive an email from ProductDyno with a link to approve or cancel the transfer request. Simply click on the link, accept it, and that's it. It's all done. Now let's head back to our ProductDyno account, and as soon as I refresh the page, the customer will no longer be listed here. As mentioned earlier, once the customer accepts your request, you will no longer be able to manage this account under your agency. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.